What's going on, everybody? Welcome to today's midday market recap. My name is Brad Smith, and this is Own the Chaos, where we trade over-the-counter stocks. I personally do so every day, and this is my job. I quit my job several months ago and trade every day. This is kind of my dream come true, if you will. Today was a little bit of a slower day, though. The OTC market was really acting funny. There are a couple of decent runs out there, though. One in particular, a swing trade that actually our Kiko stock mentorship folks found. I'll check that. I'll review that for you guys to see why that has moved the way it has, and we can take a look to see where it can go from here. The other one is QPRC. Looks like some settlements came out on QPRC. It's had a nice move up about 40% when I looked at it last, and we'll take a look and see where the future might be headed with that as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at that right quick. So here's the first one. It's going to be QPRC. Again, 3 settlements were announced on QPRC this morning, and it was through the Pacer court documents. We have folks within our WeTrade HQ platform, which is this platform right here. As you can see, you can join for free, talk and interact with like-minded individuals, celebrating each other's success, and help each other win and grow in this crazy market that we are in right now. So looking at QPRC, chart looks kind of, it's not the prettiest thing I've ever seen, but having said that, there was some significant breakthroughs on QPRC when it came to some settlements. They settled with, and I'll pull this up here, I think it's going to be easier to read. They settled with Fossil, they settled with Stage Stores, and Cons Inc. Now they have other pending patent infringement cases out there totaling millions and millions of dollars. So this is a significant win, guys. In my opinion, and history has shown us that in most cases you'll see that oftentimes when other companies start to fall, and in this case Texas Instruments fell previously, can't remember all the other ones off the top of my head, but Fossil is obviously a bigger one as well. You'll see that Stage Stores is settled, and so in my opinion, usually when there's several, and this is quite a handful now that have settled out of court based off patent infringements, you'll see a significant, like a domino effect. So there's other ones at play here, other settlements that are pending, court cases that are pending, I should say. And so theoretically, you could see a significant increase in those settlements taking place if that domino effect actually, does what it's supposed to do. And we've seen this historically. And so you find these rumors. So Abdul was just asking here, I hear you say buy rumors, sell news. How do you find the rumors, I guess? It's a very loaded question. Lots of times you could find it based off of unusual volume and start to do some digging there. And the other thing is, like with people in our group, they have access to Pacer files. So you can, in this particular case, that's how we were able to find out that this occurred. And so, yeah, there's several ways to find that. And so I wouldn't say necessarily buy the rumor, sell the news. There's plenty of cases where that happens, but oftentimes there's news that comes out and it actually runs pretty significantly. So I would never just say buy the rumor, sell the news, but there are cases where that tends to happen every now and then. Next one is GETH. This is the one I was referring to. When it was first called out within the Kiko stock mentorship and within WeTrade HQ, it was down in the 0017 range, and it has since gone to highs of 0048. Right now it's up 16%, but that run from 0017 all the way up to 0048 is nearly, actually I believe it's over now 150% gain from when the folks got into this. To have quite a decent run. Reason why it's running right now, I believe, is because looking at the level 2, it appears that dilutive market makers have now pulled off of this. I think there's some anticipation of potentially some news and catalysts coming on with GETH. But the main thing is that that dilution has pulled off, and whenever that dilution comes off of that ask price and really lets the stock breathe, you'll see this type of pop come from that. Looking at this from the Bollinger Bands and the RSI, it looks like it's getting quite heated. I would expect that there probably would be some sort of pullback to maybe 004 before it continues to make its journey on up, if it decides it wants to do that. But GETH, congrats to you guys within the Kiko Stock Mentorship and all of you within WeTrade HQ. Nice win on this one for sure. 150% is nothing to turn your nose at. Hopefully it continues to run. We'll see if it does so. Again, I think it will depend. It looks like it's actually starting to pull back down to that 004 range, and if it holds that support, we should see a nice continuation of that, that trend upward. So there you have, folks. That is your midday market recap. Now, if you're wondering how it is that we find stuff like this and you want to be a part of a group of like-minded individuals that help you learn and grow and succeed within the stock market, and it's not just related to over-the-counter stocks. This is just something that I'm proficient at. We have folks that trade big board stocks, trade options, futures, forex, and it's just all one solid community. You can find it all under one roof, and it's WeTradeHQ.com. It's a free platform to join and learn and grow. You can do technical analysis just as I've shown you there. Interact with your friends and other individuals who find success in the stock market, no matter what they're trading, and no matter what you trade. WeTrade HQ is the place for you. So that's all I've got for you guys today. It's a real slow day in the market. Not much going on. We'll see how the rest of the day plays out. QPRC was one that I really have my eye on. We'll see if that continues to roll. And GETH, congrats again to you guys. Nicely done within the KSM group. And again, WeTrade HQ. So guys, if you like this video, we'll revisit this tomorrow. I think this midday recap is going to be something that's really going to be a consistent thing that I'll be doing every day. It seems like the feedback that I've got for you guys has been pretty positive, so we'll continue to do this. And thanks again for tuning into last night's podcast as well. Hanging out with Kiko was a lot of fun. You guys really seem to enjoy that, so that'll continue to be a regular thing as well. And it's actually going to be a regular thing with all of our other mentors as well. Got another one coming up next Wednesday. It'll be Cameron Benyon of Young Money Investments. He's actually going to be joining the WeTrade HQ family, so can't wait for that to take place. The guy is a millionaire and just continues to rock it and find success. And so I'm really excited to bring him into the fold and really show you guys how he has done it here in the stock market. So with that said, I will see you guys all tomorrow. As always, I'll see you all before the bell, and B Smith is out. Take it easy, guys.